What's up, family? So we're gonna keep this short. I just came in from work. Gonna heat me up something to eat. Some clams and some like scampi noodles. So I'm having clam scampi for dinner. And my son-in-law got me some shrimp. So we're gonna eat that for dinner. So I wanted to come in because February 3rd marked my 2-month surgery. So I'm officially 2 months out. Well, 2 months post-op, VSG and hiatal hernia repair. I had my surgery January 3rd. So let's go into stats. Your girl is 5'11". Highest recorded weight is 312 pounds. The day before surgery, I was 298 pounds. Prior to the day before surgery, I was 299 pounds. I have not weighed myself. As you can see, my environment is different. I do not have a scale. Nor am I going to purchase one anytime soon. Because this is what it is. Like, I know I'm losing. Last time I weighed myself, I was 41 pounds down in 40 days. Definitely slimming. I can feel, like, not have to press it, but it's right there. That's like collarbone. Not putting any body shots in because I'm not editing this video. I'm just gonna throw it up on YouTube as my 2-month post-op update. So yeah, like, I have been feeling fantastic. Working out the gym, mostly cardio. I pulled back from weights and such because I want to lose and burn and establish endurance. And my surgeon is just like, cardio, cardio, cardio. Push it, kick it, do it, you got it. So that's where I'm at. Of course, I jiggle, and I'm alright with that because when you twerk and you jiggle, girl. But so yeah, my lace is too dark today. I put on my toffee fit me powder and it got dark. But I'm thinking about cutting this into a bob. But this is not what this video is about. This video is about 2 months post-op VSG and hiatal hernia repair. Pardon me. I am able to drink more than 3 ounces at a time. I'm now up to drinking, well, I still drink lots of water, lots of Crystal Light. I still drink Gatorades. I still have Pedialyte. I still do sugar-free pops. Right now, my diet is consisting of all those things. Hydration, hydration, hydration. Like my surgeon, he told me, he was like, I don't really care if you don't eat, but stay hydrated. I was doing Hydrolyte, Gatorade Zero, Pedialytes, Crystal Lights, tons and tons of water, alkaline water. I'm still doing those things. Sorry, I'm getting notifications. I am drinking about, like I said, about 5 ounces at a time. I do have to take breaks in between them though. So my sip is no longer an ounce. My sip is like 2 ounces. If that makes any sense. My food intake is it's soft. My surgeon told me no pork, no red meat for 6 months. Not really a pork and red meat eater, so that was not a problem for me. I do eat a lot of seafood. I do eat, seafood, fish, chicken. I was told chicken thigh, not chicken breast. Don't know why, but it was explained to me later that because chicken breast is tougher than chicken thigh and easier for the stomach to digest is chicken thigh. Do a lot of veg. Vegan butter. I use Pam, olive oil Pam is the only Pam I use. I eat a lot of turkey products. Well, not a lot because I've only incorporated turkey bacon thus far. I will venture off into turkey sausage again because I actually like turkey sausage. Still no bread, still no carbs. I'm not snacking. I'm not craving snacks. I've had some wine. But I realized that red wine does not sit well with me. It has to be white. So the white wine that I prefer is Cupcake Moscato. So if anybody watching and y'all want to send a girl a gift, get her some Cupcake brand Moscato, okay? Not Sauvignon Blanc, not the Sauvignon Blanc, Moscato. Cupcake Moscato. Yeah, you fit 5 days a week. After work, because of my environment, I have moved. So I used to go before work, now I go after. Did not go tonight, because it looked like Wellington was on fire. I don't know, it just smelled like it was on fire. Like, I was like, I'm not staying here. I'm not ready for this. And I just watched Purge last night. Girl, I was like, oh my God, I ain't ready. She ain't ready. But yeah, y'all. 2 months post-op. Definitely slimming. Clothes is definitely big. I'm not buying a whole. Look at that. Look at the seated position. Looking pretty curvy. But yeah, feeling amazing. So ecstatic to be 2 months post-op and feel the way I do. Somebody wants to say hello. Say hi to the man. You want to say hi to get my friends? Hi. Don't you push that button. Look at his finger. Look at the finger. Say peace, y'all. Peace. Peace, y'all. Him is so cute. That's my baby. All right, y'all. Peace. You got it. 2 months update. Holla at that Instagram. Y'all know I post on Instagram like crazy. It is now less_is_more_BSG Mimi on Instagram. So going over there, I'm gonna copy and paste the information and tweak it, because it used to be mamie.lynn on Instagram. I bangs with Facebook, but I really don't bang with Facebook, because Instagram like is the true, the me, the, you know, that's the true me. If you have any questions, we can talk about insurance, insurance approval, what I had to do to get approved, what insurance I had. Please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And if I forgot anything, I will put it in the description bar below. And now I'm going to say au revoir.